What's up guys, Tanner over at Eibach, and today we're going to talk about our Pro Lift Kit HD springs for the Toyota SUV platforms. We currently have this HD spring available for the 2nd through 5th gen 4Runners, 80 through 200 series Land Cruisers, and the GX470. This HD rear spring kit is designed for 200 to 400 pounds of additional weight in the back. So whether that's a rooftop tent, drawer system, maybe an armored bumper with the rear tire swing out. So really anything that has a lot of weight back there where you need some extra support, this rear spring setup would be beneficial. So today we're working on this 5th gen 4Runner behind me. It currently has our Stage 2 kit out of the box with the 1-inch lift springs. So we're gonna go ahead and swap those out, put our HDs in there, and simulate extra weight. So we're gonna throw in 200 pounds and 400 pounds to see how it sits. All right, so Anthony just finished up putting our HD rear springs on, and we're sitting at about a 2 3/4 inch lift over factory height with 0 added weight. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna toss 200 pounds of distributed weight in the cargo and rear seat area and see where we sit after that. Okay, so with the 200 pounds of distributed weight in the cargo and rear seat area, we're sitting at about a 2 1/4 inch lift over factory height. So let's go ahead and put an additional 200 pounds on top of that to see where we're sitting. All right, so we just tossed in an additional 200 pounds of extra weight, so we have a total of 400 pounds back there. And as you can see, we're at about 1 3/4 inches above factory height. So that'll give you a good idea of how well these springs can handle extra weight. Now, if you're interested in something that's height adjustable that can also accommodate extra weight, I would recommend our load leveling system. That system has height adjustability, but also has various rates depending on the amount of weight you're carrying around. For more information regarding our HD rear springs or our load leveling system, visit eibach.com or give us a call.